Godrej Valor Convertible with 4 modes in one. Normal day at home, regular mode lets you use the fridge and freezer the default way. Home alone, efficiency mode turns off the fridge and converts the freezer into a fridge. Stocked more veggies, need more pantry space? Health mode converts the freezer into a fridge. On a vacation, holiday mode turns off the fridge and keeps only the freezer on. There's more freshness guaranteed with up to 30 days farm freshness technology. 100% surface sterilization inside airflow duct with nano disinfection technology. Cool balance technology, multi-inverter technology, intelligent performance, movable ice box, bright LED with prism lens, thickest insulation, widest freezer in the segment, best-in-class storage space. 4 modes, all yours. The Godrej Valor Convertible Refrigerators. Godrej Appliances. Things made thoughtfully.